it's a proof question. So we're going to draw a line. When you draw your line on your page, you can like make your line curve way to the right. I hope you can see that the right-hand side is just sine x. There's really nothing you can do with the right-hand side. So you're not going to need much space on the right-hand side. The left-hand side, we have sine pi minus x. So here, we have to recognize if I'm subtracting two things inside of sine, I could make this alpha and this beta. And I could use one of my formulas. My sine alpha minus beta formula says it's equal to sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta. And at first, this feels like a wrong first step, because we went from something that looked relatively simple to something that is like, oh, this is more complicated. However, we know what sine and cos of pi are from our unit circle, right? Sine is x coordinate or y coordinate? Sine is your y coordinate, so that would be 0 times cos of x minus, and cos is your x coordinate, and at pi, your x coordinate is -1. So 0 times cos of x would just be 0. Negative times a negative will be positive. So if you're adding and subtracting angles in a proof, you are going to need to use your alpha plus beta formulas. And usually, one of them is something from your pi plate so that you can solve it, simplify from there, and this proof ended up being relatively easy. Here are some more practice with proofs. 9, 10 II, and 11 and 14.